Alright, so I haven't done any video in last month. It's been a month I haven't done anything on YouTube videos. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you a very trivial example of how to fix a little glitch in Emacs. Okay, so you'll find it useful. Okay, I have already opened my Emacs client, which is here. Okay, and if I go to my message and if I go all the way up, and you can see this is you see these three lines, and these three lines, and you can see these three lines, it clearly telling you that the file is there, but it is using the source libs file is new because I made some update to the editor, but the editor is still using the compiled version, old compiled version of the file. So to resolve this message and to take advantage of the new file, all you have to do, get into that directory, that is emacs.d lpa and all the icons, so 1 2 3 8. Okay, all the icons and 1 2 3 8 where this problem occurred. Okay, so there is two file, all the icons.el and data faicon.el and all the icon.faces.el. These three files are new, but the compiled version of it are old, so you have to in Emacs lingo it is called byte compilation. Okay, so we are getting into that directory. Okay, so where it is gone. Okay, so we are here in this directory. Okay, and if you see from the bottom that there is an option called byte-compiled, recompiled directory. You see my cursor is highlighted there. All the two files are specifically three files. Okay, specifically marked as old. The compiled version of Elixir files are targeted as extension as ELC, which is old. That is why the message was showing in message buffer. To get rid of that, I'm recompiling the directory. Otherwise you can recompile the specific file. So I'm just showing you a example. So if I press enter, it is going to recompile the entire directory. It shows some compiled log, right? Now, okay, so there must be some syntactical changes. Now if I get rid of it and if I restart that Emacs daemon and client like this, just give me a second, it will come up, so I can show you whether that byte recompilation of that particular directory get rid of that message in the message buffer. This is in general sense harmless, but you are supposed to, when the source file is updated and your compiled version is on messages, if I go up, see those files has vanished from the message. It is not complaining anymore that it is using the old compiled version in all the icons, because I have recompiled or byte compiled the entire directory. So all the messages related to those files has gone. Likewise, whatever you are seeing on this message, that which is complaining that using older file, which has a newer file, newer source file, can be similarly be eliminated. You need to get into that specific directory, and then you have to use byte compile, recompile the directory, the entire directory, or the specific file if it is complaining about. I hope you got it what I've shown to you. It's a very easy way to eliminate such message from the message. Although it looks like a very timid stuff, but it might be useful. Who knows? Okay. So you can automate that too also. So I hope it will be useful for some people who are curious and wanted to fix some trivialities. Thanks for watching.